beautiful people, and welcome back to yet another video. My name is Sakshi Patel and I'm 5th year PharmD student. In this ongoing series of Scope of PharmD, today we would be discussing about Scope of PharmD in Pharmacovigilance and Drug Safety. And I'm really sorry for the fan noise, but it is just too hot, although I have inserted the mic. So without any further ado, let's start. So we'll start with type of work environment. First is pharmaceutical companies monitoring adverse drug reactions, conducting safety assessments, ensuring compliance with the regulatory requirements. Contract research organizations. Alright, this is better. So all of that comes in clinical research organization. Regulatory agencies reviewing drug safety data, assessing the risk benefit profiles, contributing to the drug approval process. Academic institutions researching the drug safety issues, teaching pharmacovigilance principles and conducting clinical studies. So revising all of it, type of work environment, you would be working in pharmaceutical companies where you will have to monitor adverse drug reactions, that is ADR, conduct drug safety assessment, ensuring compliance with the regulatory requirement. If you are working in CRO, that is contract research organizations, then you will have to conduct clinical trial, post-marketing surveillance and pharmacovigilance activities for multiple clients. Next comes regulatory agencies reviewing drug safety data, assessing the risk-benefit profile, contributing to drug approval process. Academic institutions researching the drug safety issues, teaching pharmacovigilance principles and conducting clinical trials. Okay, next we have skills needed. Strong understanding of pharmacology, pharmacokinetics and drug interactions, proficiency in medical terminology and regulatory guidelines, attention to detail and analytical skills for adverse event data analysis, communication skills to collaborate with multidisciplinary teams and report findings effectively, knowledge of pharmacovigilance software systems and databases, ability to interpret scientific literature and stay updated on the industry trends. Okay, so first we have strong understanding of pharmacology, that is ADME, absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion, pharmacokinetics is ADME, I'm so sorry, and pharmacology, it is about how a drug works, what is its class, mechanism of action, side effects, adverse reactions, etc. Dosage also. Next we have drug interactions, so it can be drug, food, drug disease, etc. Next we have proficiency in medical terminology. You should know the terms which are used in MEDRA, that is medical dictionary. I don't know, MEDRA, medical dictionary for, I forgot, but it is for medical terms. Okay, so you should know MEDRA terms. The classification that I was talking to you about, not the classification but the the scales for assessing ADR severity. So those scales, they use MEDRA. Okay, so for when you want to classify any adverse drug reaction, that time you should know MEDRA. So if you are someone who is interested in pharmacovigilance and drug safety, you should know MEDRA terms and also all of these scales. There are Naranjo scales, and then there is Uppsala monitoring scale is also there, and then some other scales, Hartwig scale is also there. So you should know all of them. Proficiency in medical terminology and regulatory guidelines, attention to detail and analytical skills for adverse event data analysis. Attention to detail is needed because there can be confounding factors. It cannot be maybe that the drug is not causing the ADR, but it is the drug along with the patient smoking, along with the comorbidities which is leading to ADR. Okay, so that is the reason attention to skills is needed. Attention to detail is needed. Communication skills to collaborate with multidisciplinary teams and report findings effectively. Knowledge of pharmacovigilance softwares and databases. We have PVPS system, that is Pharmacovigilance Program of India. So you should be knowing that site very well, how you can report it, what is ADR form. I think we have 1.4. So what is that? We have suspected ADR reporting form. Then I think US has yellow card, UK has blue card. So all of that you should know. US has FDA form 351A and 351B, I think. So all of that you should be knowing. Ability to interpret scientific literature and stay updated on the industry trends. So this is all for the skills needed. Now let's move to the recruiters, that is what kind of recruiters you will be having. Alright, so for recruiters you will be having pharmaceutical companies such as Novartis, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, etc. Contract research organizations, Quintilis, IMS, Icon PLS, PPD Limited, etc. I really don't know, okay, all of these CROs. I just googled them for India and I got these three. Then we have regulatory agencies: Central Drug Standard Control Organization, that is CDSCO, Drug Controller General of India, that is DCGI. DCGI and CDCO, they monitor each and every clinical trial, each and every IND and ANDA application. Okay, so these both are extremely important Indian organizations for drug safety monitoring. Next, we have academic institutions, universities offering PharmD programs and research institutes focusing on pharmacovigilance. So your recruiters will be pharmaceutical companies, CRO, that is contract research organizations, regulatory agencies and academic institutions. Next, moving to the most important part, which is national average salary. So pharmacovigilance associate will have 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Drug safety specialist will have 5 to 8 lakhs per annum. Pharmacovigilance team lead or manager will have 8 to 15 lakhs per annum, and pharmacovigilance director will have 15 lakhs per annum. Now, pharmacovigilance associate can be a government job, and pharmacovigilance director could be a job in CROs. Then pharmacovigilance team lead or manager could be again a job in CRO, and drug safety specialist is again in clinical trials. Okay, so all of this is about pharmacovigilance and drug safety after PharmD. So type of work environment we have discussed, it can be pharmaceutical companies, CRO, regulatory agencies, academic institutions. Pay range is from 3 to 15 lakhs, depends upon the position, and skills needed are generally pharmacology, kinetics, drug interactions, medical terminology, different scales for ADR, rating scales. Then we have analytical skills for adverse event data analysis, and knowledge of pharmacovigilance software systems and databases. So this is it. I really hope that you guys have also checked out other videos in which I have discussed scope of PharmD in clinical research, in clinical pharmacy, as biostatistician, in pharmaceutical industry, etc. And if you would like to see more videos on scope of PharmD, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, please share my videos as much as you can. Bye bye. I'll see you same place, same time.